We are Track Record.
We are never finished.
What's up, guys?
What's up, you guys?
Welcome back to
another video. So,
today's a big day.
And we're gonna see you guys
in a few minutes.
What's going on, Jordan? Tell them what's going on.
Today is the day of our car meet, guys. Just finished washing our cars, and we're gonna head over to the spot. See if any of you guys are there. It's about 2:40.
Oh, dude. We hit 10K. We hit 10K.
We already hit 10K.
Oh yeah, that's why we're doing this. So we hit 10K, and that's why we're having this meet. If you guys didn't know already, we hope to have a good turnout. But if not, it's all right. You know what? We're just going to have fun and hopefully meet you guys.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be late, so we should probably go.
I'm gonna be late.
We have about 5 minutes to be there.
It's cool. Don't worry.
And it's like 10 minutes away.
All right, so we're gonna get on the road, see how that works out for us, and then we're gonna
It'll be fine.
We're gonna show up. It'll be fine.
All right, we'll see you guys there.
All right. Ready, dude? Just rolled up to the meet.
Just got here, dude?
Yeah, just got here. Kevin,
I've been here setting up my camera. Where you been?
Don't even play with me like that, Kevin. I was here first. Just because you're already out here doing things doesn't make you any better than me.
So we got some Subi boys.
Chill, breezy. Dude, it's a third WRX. We're about to have a turf war, dude.
Yeah, what's your wheel specs, bro? I get that question so much.
Loki, yeah, I would take one of these over your car.
You would?
It's older, but I think it looks more aggressive.
Well, he's got canards on it.
It's not just canards, dude.
The new WRX is...
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. We're all...
It's all good. There's no more EVO anyway.
Right. Yeah, that's true too. This STI right here is pretty funny. The guy from Best Buy came out and we all thought that they were going to tell us to leave, but he was like, can I go get my car and park it here? So we were like, yeah, go get your car. So he pulled it up and parked it with us, and then he went back to work.
So we are halfway wrapping up the meet right now. We're out there. Kevin's out there chilling.
All right, you ready?
Ready, dude?
illuminating this whole like area. There's like, I don't even know, this is all us, I think, right here, this light. Oh, this is so sick. You guys are awesome. This is really cool. It's pretty sick. This is fun. It was a good turnout.
Yeah, dude. You have some variety. Oh, look, Fox body.
Okay, well, we're gonna end it, but somebody else showed up last minute. All right, guys, so we are going to close it out. Everybody, thank you guys for showing up. Really appreciate it. Thank you guys for 10K. This is a big milestone. So we got the 350 taken off right now, the WRX. And we'll have more of these soon. So if you guys didn't make it, we'll have more.
We had way more cars show up this time than last time.
Yeah, which was 0. So yeah, it was a good turnout, a lot of fun.
Yeah. Plus, I'm a little disappointed in anyone out there who may be a fan of Mustangs because I was lonely. I didn't expect
You
anyone
got your
to come.
Fox body now.
I didn't expect anyone to come, but I was still
All right, so we are never finished, and we will catch you guys
in the